This real estate advantage property video is presented by Daryl Green. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house featuring a convenient first-floor laundry and den/office. The partially finished walk-up attic offers versatile space for an additional bedroom, office, or more. This property has potential, despite needing some work, and includes the perk of off-street parking. Schedule your showing today and see the potential for yourself. For more information, review the details below or contact Daryl Green at 919-900-0407.